Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the channel, and this is your friend Dr. Suresh Shenvi. Today I am going to introduce you to a new file system called as Neolix Neonity. Most stated situation while doing the root canal treatment is an instrument separation. And of course there is a lot of research which is going on in order to reduce the chance of instrument separation. Tremendous amount of advance has been seen mostly in the endodontic instruments and endomotors. Neolix Neonity is one such new file system which has an excellent cyclic fatigue, helping you to prevent instrument fracture to a certain extent. It's manufactured from a process called as EDM, that is electric discharge machining, which is also called as spark eroding, spark burning, wire burning or wire erosion. The company is situated in France and it pioneers in the manufacturing of the EDM files. The EDM files are basically manufactured from a wire of control memory files and subjected to electric discharge, forming the blades. Now if you bend the conventional NiTi files, they will come back to its original shape, and this is called as the shape memory, which sometimes ends up increasing the chances of the instrument separation. As you can see in this video, if you bend the file will stay in the bend situation, and this is called as control memory. This is possible because of the presence of more martensite phase in the file, making the file more resistant to fracture. But since the control memory files are passive in nature, it needed to be made aggressive, so the electric discharge machining procedure really helped to enhance the cutting efficiency, still maintaining the excellent cyclic fatigue. Now let me briefly take you through the product information. The Neonity file system consists of 3 different files. The first one is called as C1, which is Orify shaper having a tip size of 25 number and having a taper of 12%. So it is a really aggressive large file and should only be used if it is really needed and should not be taken more than 5 mm from the coronal orifice. If you want to establish a glide path in a very narrow canal, then you can use an additional file which is called as Neonity GPS, which has a tip size of 15 and a taper of 3%. So if the canal is quite wide, you really don't have to use both C1 and GPS system. Since Neonity is considered to be a single file system, the main file is named as A1, and A1 is available into 3 tip sizes, that is A1 yellow band, which is 20 number tip size having a 6% taper, A1 red band, which is 25 tip size and having a 6% taper. You also have the 40 number tip size A1 having a black ring with a taper of 4%. So there is a difference of taper between A1 red yellow and A1 black, because A1 black only comes with 4%, whereas the rest of the A1 comes with 6%. And this really you have to keep in mind, because I do feel if you are using it in a palatal canal and plan to do a single cone obturation, then probably 4% may not be completely sufficient. Design wise, it has a passive tip, so that's a very good thing because the chances of ledges are very rare. Overall, a good file system tend to become a bit expensive compared to the other conventional NiTi files, but this has its own advantages. If you have any doubts or questions regarding this system, please mention into the comment section, and do subscribe to our channel, check the other videos. I hope to see you once again. Have a